Station, North Huron Fire, Wingham. Please respond to 474 Grandview Road. That's 474 Grandview Road for a CO alarm sounding in the residence. Previous issues with the water heater on scene there. No smell of gas at this time, no symptoms. Everyone's out of the residence. That's 474 Grandview Road for a CO alarm sounding. First page is 740. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station, North Huron Fire, Wingham. Please respond 474 Grandview Road. Again, 474 Grandview Road, crossroads there, Highland Drive and Charles Street. Responding for a CO alarm sounding in the residence. Previous issues with the water heater on scene, no current smell of gas in the house, and no symptoms, everyone's out. 474 Grandview Road for a CO alarm sounding. Time of second page is 741 on March 14th. Wingham Fire, please respond.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Dispatch, car 3 acknowledges the page for Wingham Station to Grandview.
Roger that, car 3, you're acknowledging page for Wingham Station, 74152.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
Engine 1 responding. Bravo, plus 4 belted.
Roger, I copy. Engine 1, you're responding Bravo plus 4 belted at 74541.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1.
Go ahead. Engine 1, go ahead.
Fire dispatch, you can show Engine 1's on scene. Bravo be command and command will be mobile.
Roger, I copy. Engine 1, you're on scene. Bravo in command and mobile at 74803.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show all occupants out of the home.
Roger that, command. All occupants out of the residence. 74853.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show we are sending a team of 2 on air entering the building, Alpha side.
That's Roger, command. I copy. Sending a team of 2 on air into the building on Alpha side at 75012.
Go ahead, entry on this command. Entry 1, call command. Entry 1, if you're trying to communicate, I'm getting nothing but static. If you can read me, come to the front door and we'll do a face-to-face. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Entry crew 1 has 0 readings through the whole structure. We are still investigating.
That's Roger, I copy. Command. Entry crew 1 has 0 readings throughout the entire structure. Still investigating at 75657.
North Huron command, entry 1. Go ahead, entry 1 command. Yeah, we've lit all those appliances. Yeah, you're very faint. I think you said you still have 0 reading. Just let it sit for a couple minutes and you can come out. We'll just let it sit for a couple minutes. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Command.
You can show entry 1 has exited the building. We are just still doing some further investigation.
That's Roger, I copy. Entry 1 exited the building, still doing further investigation at 8:04.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, Command.
You can show a second entry team entering building to do a second air quality check.
That's Roger, I copy. Second entry team entering building to do a second air quality check at 8:05:54.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, Command.
Second air quality check. We still have 0 readings through the whole structure. We are now in the process of doing a smoke CO alarm check.
That's Roger, second air quality check, still 0 readings, now doing smoke CO check at 8:08:40.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, Command.
You can show we have 0 readings through the whole structure. We have completed the CO fire alarm inspection. Command is terminated. Engine 1 is returned to Wingham Station. Property is being left with the homeowner.
That's Roger, Command, 0 readings throughout the whole structure, completed CO with smoke detection. Command is terminated, leaving home with the homeowner at 8:17.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Wingham Station.
Wingham Station, go ahead.
You can show us back and haul back in service. Could you clear out this call, please?
That's Roger, you're back in hall, back in service. I'll clear it off now. Have a good day.